While working on my little side project, I have to import quite a lot of assets from Blender to Unity. After reviewing countless tutorials, I have finally found a way to do that properly. In case you're not aware, if you simply try to export FBX file and use it in Unity, it will have incorrect scale, rotation, and potentially missing textures. First, to ensure that the textures are packed together with the file, go to File, External Data, Pack Resources. Now I select only the models I want to export. Then I go to File, Export, FBX. To include the textures, we have to make sure that the path mode is set to copy and that the small button next to it is highlighted. Now let's handle the rotations and the scale. In the Apply Scalings, we select FBX All. For the forward, we select -Y forward. We make sure that Up is set to Z Up and that the Use Space Transform checkbox is unchecked. And then we simply click the Export button. Now we drag and drop the FBX file into Unity. We click on it in the Assets window, and in the Model tab, we select the Bake Axis Conversion checkbox. Then we hit the Apply button. Fantastic! The rotation and scaling is correct. Now let's handle the textures. Once again, we focus on the asset. Go to the Material tab and extract the texture to any selected folder. Beautiful. I do have a transparent texture, so I have to handle that next. As I cannot modify the material directly, I have to extract it first. Once again, we go to the Materials tab, but this time we click Extract Materials and we select the folder. Now I need to locate my material. There are two ways we can proceed. The first one is to change the surface type to transparent. But then, to avoid these different light artifacts, we need to deselect the Preserve Specular Light. This way you can have a semi-transparent areas, but it will be also slightly heavier to render. If you're like me working on a low poly, low resolution project, you may prefer hard pixelated edges. For that, you keep the surface type as opaque, but check the alpha clipping checkbox. Depending on your texture, you may need to adjust the threshold. In my case, the middle value is perfect. Again, depending on your model and your texture, you may need to change the render phase. For my tree, I want to make sure that the planes show the leaves on both sides. So I'm going to change it to both. And now there's only one thing left. To please the algorithm gods, leave a comment and a like under this video. Have a fantastic day, love you, and bye bye.